Well, if you're like me, I went and bought a seat at Dollarama. Alright? Well, it's great, but you go to sit down, and what happens? One or all the legs. Let me wiggle a little bit here. Look at that. I've just lost like 4 inches into the ground. The solution I've come up with is right there. First thing you got to do is get these things off of here. And there was a bit of a burr on the inside that didn't fit the copper pipe. So it's just 1/2-inch copper pipe that I soldered together. And it keeps it from splaying out too. Now you got a seat that won't sink. Fuzzy, you're a goofball. He says, but I'm getting tall enough to reach it. You're gonna have that whole tree.
This is level with his shoulder.
I'm 5'5".
He says, I'm leaving. Goof.